Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a line design leaf project. Now, there's lots of ways to draw leaves, and I'm going to start out by showing you guys how to draw a few different types of leaves. Now, the first thing you can do is you can just make a normal wavy leaf. So if you want to make a wavy leaf, this is what you do. You want to start up here, and you're just going to make a little sad face like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your marker or pencil and you're going to draw a line that goes down. So you're just going to draw a line that goes down. You can make it straight or have a little curve to it. Then starting here, you're going to make some big wavy bumpy lines. Now you want to make sure that they're not touching this line. They're going to go up and down, and they're going to come all the way to here. So we're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down until you come to here. Then you want to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to go down and up, down and up, down and up until I get to the end of the leaf. Now, once you're done with that, you want to make a long skinny rectangle down here for the stem. So you're going to make a line that goes down, it's going to go over, and then it's going to come back up for the stem. Now, this is one shape of leaf. You can also make a pointy leaf. If you want to make a pointy leaf, then do this. You're going to start the same way, but instead of making a round shape, you're going to make a pointy shape, kind of like a upside down V. Then I'll do the same thing. I'm going to make a nice long line that goes down, so it looks like an arrow. Then what you're going to do is you're going to draw some zigzag lines that are going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, and they're going to come down to here. Then you're going to do the same thing over here. You're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, and then you're going to come right down to here. Then at the bottom, you'll just draw a long, skinny rectangle like this. Now, you can also draw just a plain normal leaf. And to do that, we're going to kind of start the same way we did here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a little upside down V. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down, so it looks like an arrow. Now, what I want to do is I want to start here, and I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to curve around and come down to here. So I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around and come down to here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go out and then I'm going to come down. Then I'll add a long skinny rectangle for the stem. And that's how you make just some simple leaf shapes. Now the next step is you want to choose one of these leaf shapes and you want to draw it nice and big. So now that I know how to make my leaf shapes, I'm going to choose one of those shapes to draw nice and big. I'm going to go with the pointy leaf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here and I'll make a upside down V. And I'm going to have mine kind of going off the side. You can have yours going straight up and down if you'd like. Then I'm just going to draw my leaf out. So I'll make it nice and big. I'll make some big points on here. And I'll make them come all the way down to here. And I'll do the same thing over here. Just some nice big points, and they'll come right down to there. Then I want to add my stem. Now, one of the things I want to do on here is I want to add some lines because I want to break up my leaf into different parts. So I'm going to go and I'm going to draw some big V shapes on here. I'll start at the end. You can start here or you can start in between your leaves, whatever you want to do. I'll start up here and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then up. And I'm going to do this a few more times. I'll just go down and then I'll come up to this little corner here. I'm going to do this a few more times. And this way I just kind of break up my leaf. And I'll stop right there. Now, here is my little leaf. Now, one of the things that I want to do is I want to add different little line designs on here. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to fill these up with different designs. Now, line designs come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes. You can do lots of different things. You could make some little diagonal lines. You can make wavy lines. You can make zigzag lines on here. You can make little shapes on here. Lines can turn into shapes, so you can add shapes on here, like polka dots, things like that. There's lots of stuff you can do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill up my whole leaf with some different little line shapes. Okay, once my leaf is all filled up with my different designs and everything, my next step is I want to color this. Now, when you color this, you can do lots of different things. You can just use a plain colors like markers. You could use things like crayons. You could do markers and crayons, whatever you like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use markers to color this, and I'm going to kind of add some different little color patterns in each part of my leaf here. But you guys can color this however you want to.